Day 40 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, guys, we're back again. Another day, another LeetCode problem. We're at day 40 already. Time sure is going fast, isn't it? And I don't see any time of us stopping soon. So I hope you guys are ready because I hope you guys can keep up because, we're going to keep going, man. Keep going. So let's see. First of all, I need you guys to take your mouse, come over here. Go ahead, click that subscribe button over there. I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep this content coming your way and we can all learn together and do these LeetCode problems together. I need you to go ahead, drop a bank emoji in the comments. Go ahead, drop a like, and go ahead, hit that subscribe button, man. We're trying to run this engagement up. So, with that being said, let's see what question we have here today. Today we have question number 735, asteroid collision. The difficulty level is medium, but we still are going to keep the solution as simple as easy as possible so you guys can understand, because remember, the goal is to learn here, guys. We're all trying to learn, so we're not going to make the solution all crazy where you guys don't even know what you're looking at. So, let's see what the question says. It says we are given an array of asteroids of integers representing asteroids in a row. For each asteroid, the absolute value represents its size and the sign represents its direction. Positive meaning right, negative meaning left. Each asteroid moves at the same speed. Find out the state of the asteroid after all collisions. If two asteroids meet, the smaller one will explode. If both are the same size, both will explode. Two asteroids moving in the same direction will never meet. Okay, guys, so let's look at these examples so we can see what they're talking about. It says example 1. Input asteroids is an array of integers 5, 10, and -5. The output is 5 and 10. The explanation, the 10 and the -5 collide, resulting in 10. The 5 and the 10 never collide. So let's break that down a little bit. So right here we have the 10 and we have a -5. The 10 is a positive integer, meaning the asteroid is going to the right. The -5 is a negative integer, meaning the asteroid is moving to the left. So eventually this asteroid, the 10, and this asteroid, the -5, eventually they're going to collide into each other. Now, since 10 is a bigger number, 10 is going to keep moving. It's going to run right through the 5, and the 10 is going to run right through the -5, and the -5 is going to explode, and that is going to leave us with 10. And remember, these are both 5 and 10 are both positive integers, so they're both moving to the right, meaning they'll never run into each other because they're moving in the same direction, which is why the output is 5 and 10. So if that was a little confusing, don't worry. We're going to look at example 2 as well so you guys can see. In example 2, we have the input asteroids is an array of integers 8 and -8. The output is a blank array. Explanation, the 8 and the -8 collide, exploding each other. So remember, it says right here, if both are the same size, both will explode. So in this case, 8 is not the same. That could be confusing because they're not the same size. You might say this is +8 and this is -8. However, if what they mean, if you have the same integers and the only difference is this negative sign, then they're both exploding. The 8 and the -8 are both going to explode because remember, all this negative sign means is moving to the left. And this positive integer means it's moving to the right. So it's really an 8 moving this way to the left and an 8 moving this way to the right, and they both collide, which is why they both explode and it's 0. Which can be confusing because you might look at it like -8, that's smaller than 8. So why doesn't 8 just run through that? It's because the negative sign is not necessarily meaning the size of the asteroid. It's just meaning the direction that the asteroid is moving. So this negative sign just means the asteroid is moving to the left, and the positive integer means the asteroid is moving to the right. So let's look at example 3. We have one more example to really drill this home. So It says input asteroids is an array of integers 10, 2, and -5. The output is 10. The 2 and the 5 collide, resulting in -5. The 10 and the -5 collide, resulting in 10. So, as you go through this array right here, first we have the 2 and the 5. The 2 is moving to the right, the -5 is moving to the left, or the 5 is moving to the left. The 2 and the -5 collide. So boom, the -5 runs through the 2 this time, but the -5 is still going, and the 10 is still right there. So now that's why the 10 is moving to the right, and the -5 is moving to the left. So now they're about to collide. And then when they collide, the 10 eats the 5, and that's why we're left with just the integer 10. So let's see how we're going to solve this problem. First thing we're going to do is we're going to say return asteroids, that reduce, and we're going to reduce that into an array of integers. Then we're going to come over here, we're going to open up our brackets, and we're going to say stack comma asteroid, no S on this asteroid, and then we're going to come down here and we're going to say while asteroid is less than 0, let top equal stack dot last, comma, top is greater than 0. Then we're going to open up some more brackets, and we're going to come down here and we're going to say if top is less than or equal to the negative asteroid. Then we're going to open up some more brackets and we're going to say stack dot remove last. Then we're going to come right here and we're going to say guard top is less than the negative asteroid, else we're going to return. Then we're going to come right here and we're going to say stack dot append asteroid. So let's see what happens when we run this, guys. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Boom. All right, so let's submit it and see what it says after we submitted it. First try, not bad at all. All right, guys, there it is. 24 milliseconds beats 77.24% of users with Swift. That's not bad at all. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. Till then, peace.